Alright guys, I'm just gonna show you guys a special tip of how to diagnose a tumble flap and then how to replace it. So this is called a P2004. So guys, I'm going to show you using Mercedes C300, but this should apply guys to most Mercedes car which have an M272 engine. So this one here right here guys is a GL. It has a 272 engine. So guys, the tumble flap guys is this thing right here. You see this things, this round stuff right here. It has like a flap down there, and then this flap is the one which is supposed to open it up. So basically guys, the main reason for the tumble flap is to just control the air and then with the gas mixture ratio which goes to the engine, and then makes the engine guys like perform better. So guys, if you see down there guys, you'll see that one of these flap thing which goes into this stuff guys is out, is broken. So guys, I'm going to show you the tip of how to replace this thing. So I'll take you through the procedure. So you take out this cover. Once you take the cover out, is this E12 you take down. That's the third one right there. And then guys, you disconnect these connectors to the ignition coil on this left side. And then guys, we have this thing which is the engine holding thing in the back. So you take out these three. So once that is done guys, there's a fuel rail, and then there's these connectors going to the injectors. So you just detach them, all of them. They're like three of them because they go to each combustion cylinder. So guys, you come to the ECU which is on the top of the engine, and then you just disconnect it the way I'm just showing you right here guys. So once you do that, you do that for the one on the right side too, and then you can take out the computer securely, and then you take out this Tox 25, you get it out of the way. Then you take out this intake thing right here which goes to the throttle body. You disconnect that, and then you can do also from here this plastic hose. And then guys, you come to this right side. It is a gas line, and then I use a 17mm. And then you take out this hose. This is the vacuum hose which goes to the engine. So guys, basically most of this stuff right here you disconnect is just connectors which connects to the top of the engine. And then once this is done guys, you take this, you disconnect from this front part. You take out from the solenoids, the camshaft solenoids, to disconnect all this, all of them. And then guys, once that is done, you can put this wiring harness on the side, because you don't really need to take it out completely, because the work which you're going to do guys will be on in the middle of the engine. So guys, this thing is out. So you take out these are 4 E10 is an E10 guys. You take 4 of them. It's going to be aligned on the side next to the array. So once this 4 is out, you take it on the left and right side, and then you disconnect this hose going to the brake booster, and then you disconnect also that. And then guys, there's one connector going to the throttle body. That's the only connector you connect from down right there, and then the rest you take them out from the top. So once that is done guys, replace this thing with a metal one. The one which I had earlier on was a plastic, so guys were easy to break apart. So I really recommend you guys, once you buy, you get a metal one, and then once you fix that in guys, it should not be able to have any issue anytime soon. So this is how the tumble flap works. So when the car runs, it pushes up and down like that, and then these vacuum things will open inside there and then control the air mixture ratio. So if one of the things is broken guys, this thing will not work, and then your car will keep using too much gas. So also another thing guys, you need to buy a new gaskets. This is for the for you put inside here when you're putting it back, so you don't use the old one, because sometimes air will leak on the sides, and then guys you'll have a big problem. So guys, this is just a short way of just telling you guys, showing you how you take this out and how you fix it back. And then guys, I hope really this video really helps you out. See you next time in the next video, and please like and subscribe. All right, see you next time.